diligent timekeeper, talented contestants, and all the esteemed viewers. Thank you for giving me this golden opportunity to be here. I'm really so happy to see and be a part of to be here. I'm so happy for that. Okay, I'm teacher Rajati. Currently, I'm teaching at SK Kopeng Jalan Ilmu, Kopeng Perak, Malaysia, and I'm teaching science subjects for the low primary students in year 1, 2, and 3. Okay, my ID number is 1037. Okay, let me start my innovation details. Yeah. Okay, let me explore together what is my innovation there. So that is an e-car conductor and insulator version 2. Okay, this one is a detector. So many of the students still don't understand the term of what is the conductor and also the insulator. Some of them they say that conductor they still don't know because I'm teaching this unit 7 in the year 2. This one I innovate special for my students in year 2. This study is an aim to improve the mastery of the classification of the materials of the objects of a conductors and also insulator by using the e-car among the students in year 2. This study also aims to assess the understanding and the involvement of my students in the learning process before and after using the e-car teaching and learning. So let's go to the floor of the innovation. What is the problem? Make sure we're going to, before I innovate something, we're going to have the problem. So that is a problem that our students have a misconception between the two words electrical conductor and also insulator. And also students are also less interested in learning and then feel afraid to explore the new knowledge such as the conductor and also insulator. For example, I can show you all here. Okay, this is the one is the metal spoon and this is a straw. So when I show to the student orally, so students, can you identify this? Okay, metal spoon, is it conductor or insulator? Sure, they still don't know yet. What is a conductor and what is insulator? And then when I'm teaching them as orally, they still don't understand the terms of the conductor and insulator. Then only I go to how to solve this problem. That I suggest what to do on learning 2. That is my e-car conductor and insulator detector version 2. So that is the one of the learning tool that's really help my student to identify and also classify the materials into the two different groups that are conductor and also insulators. Very simple. So that's a conductor means the materials allows the electric current to pass through it. So my innovation that show that one is the toy car. When the student is for example they put in the metal spoon on the detector, the toy car will be moving by itself. That is an electrical car that's we call. And also at the same time, there's some of the bulbs will going to light up by itself. So the students already know. Yes, teacher. So the metal spoon is a conductor because how do you know that? Because as the car is can move it by itself and also the bulbs are light up by its own. So that's meaning the metal spoon when we replace the switch with the metal spoon, the electric current is allowed and also the makes the bulb and also the car is moving itself. So what I get from here before I'm using that's my learning tool, that is only 40% students only can answer for my questions. That is can you identify the conductor and insulator materials and also can you classify if that's don't know the what is a conductor insulator, sure they can identify and also they cannot classify the materials around us. But the same thing is that when after I'm using this learning tool, I can see that as a 90% student can answer my questions very well. Written answer, that means it's a summative and a formative questions. From there, I'm taking their how the way they get the performance level for because we are now is using the TP. TP is because the performance level. TP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 6. So all of my students are great achievement. They can know already from the self-assessment. They know already everything be good. That's all from me. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you very much.